Look at Hussein's set. Girls, ladies, what do we think? What does it look like? What do you immediately get from it?
Like a
paint explosion.
You don't know.
a time bomb or something. I don't know.
Time bomb?
Yeah.
It looks like it's about to explode.
Yeah. Kind of like
It
That's
looks
quite
like
good.
it has exploded, but it's sort of split.
Something to do with time because it's got a clock.
Yeah. But what about the colours? I mean,
The
It
mountains.
seems like it's not like human, like maybe alien kind of thing.
Like sci-fi.
yeah.
Yeah, it's just the way the green is.
Just
all
because
that
it's
bubbly.
green, like,
It's very liney green.
No, but the green, yeah, it's very.
Did it remind you of any films in
the
particular?
mountains in the background.
Doctor Who.
Not really.
That's
Doctor
what I
Who.
said. Doctor Who. But not with the colours.
What did the numbers represent? Is there one thing?
The clock represents
The
like
numbers
time.
on the top, I mean.
Oh, so a computer code. That guy finds out that he's in a computerized world, not a real world, and he sees this. But I added the 0101 to expand on the explanation this time, and that's supposed to be my product of the. It's an enlarged version, so everybody could see, the audience, the people who are buying it could see what this watch would look like if they
So
buy.
and you've enlarged it? For,
Yeah, I've enlarged it
Okay.
for people to see, but
Yeah.
but actually small, but like it's
Okay.
a pocket watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why is it so science fiction-y? Would you say it's science fiction-y?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm not sure, but I was connecting it with the film. It's to do with time travel and all of that.
What
It's nothing to do with alien and all.
What film?
13th floor.
Time travel's like inhumane anyway.
Yeah.
So
No, because they discovered it as a future technology in this film.
humanity.
So you can
can't
time
That's
travel
not what
now.
you...
Yeah, but
Yeah, it's a future technology. I don't know what year, but in this film, the 13th floor.
Oh, I mean in real life.
Wait,
No, it's not true. No.
So you said you put the 0101.
Yeah.
Why didn't you, instead of that, put the 13 since that's the name of your movie?
No, because if I put 13, people didn't know that's a computer code.
No,
This
no one
supposed
knew
to
it
be
was
computer code.
if it was like in a line. There
I
was like
think you
loads
could
of
have put it like the
lines.
same thing. Instead of 01, it just put 13, 13, 13, gone.
But
It's
It
computer
would look similar.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah, and it kind of just gives a hint towards the movie.
But in his defence, that's quite literal.
Yeah.
We're not using the film literally, using visual clues from films. So
Yeah, it kind of looks like you've just written 01 everywhere.
it's a good idea.
No, all was supposed to be computer
I know,
code.
I think you could have maybe added more numbers throughout the whole thing
Yeah,
because
that's
the
what I was
computer code tends to be long.
Yeah,
And I
Yeah.
think if,
Like
it was,
really
if there was
long.
numbers all over it, I would think it's a computer code.
and to say the other thing is, it's not just 0101. There's more like it's mixed up to 001.
Yeah. This was the last one was 0 without 1. But never mind. But what do you say? What did you comment just now?
That I think there should be more numbers throughout so you understand that it's a computer code because the computer code's long.
My original style was putting numbers on the clock, putting numbers, yeah, specifically on the watch, but I forgot about it. Okay.
Yeah, it's very strong visual, isn't it?
Oh,
And you're-
it's like the bottom bit. It's like a reflection of the right.
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
wall, yeah.
Or
You say?
or
Floor affects the wall.
Yeah. And it sort of looks like it's about to explode as well because it looks like cracks.
well,
Really good.
Yeah, it looks like it's just enough.
it's supposed to be. Well, this is supposed to be elements of time from the film side.
Okay, and did you think of any other campaigns this could be used for? Because it's very visually strong and what you've said is very good, but could it be adapted for something else? Or not?
It could be in an advert.
Yeah, well,
Because I need to advertise for
yeah, that's what it's for, but we're
Yeah.
saying the alternative.
alternative. It could be an large
I know what you think of on the spot, I'm just
as
wondering.
a set of a film. It could be a set of a film,
Okay.
but an enlarged version, of course, not a. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, any more comments? Robert? It's quite similar to yours, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's, colours, isn't it? It's saying green. No, but I like it. But, oh yeah, question. Why is there like lots of ones?
We just went through it.
Oh yeah, because it's a computer. It's
Is
supposed
that
to
you
be.
just went through that?
Yeah.
Like twice.
It's
But
computer.
I didn't hear it, so I want to hear it again.
Yeah, it's a computer code 0101. It's supposed to be different, but 0101. Then the last one 0. It's supposed to be a computer code.
Okay.
Did you already say why you used green instead of other color?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it would be cool if you had like orange and the colours that
But
are.
there's a reason, isn't there? Remember?
Yeah, and in the film, in the wallpaper, in the main, the computerized world is green in the film.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's taken that colour directly from the film.
So what are the lines?
The lines is like computer world. Like the main character finds out that he's in a computer world, and to represent the symbols of the computer world or part of this computer world.
Good. Any more comments?
I think as another idea,
Yeah.
like because it's like a clock and like sort of really like kind of relates to time. You could even have like if it was an advert like you sort of only what did I say? Yeah, use your time wisely sort of thing like
Or some text in there, you mean?
yeah.
How good were you at keeping your time? Like,
It's like kind of like you only have one life, so use your time wisely.
That's a good point.
I mean, just as like an alternative. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Time's running out.
Yeah, sort of.
Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
That's another idea. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, one more thing, 'cause I'm writing all things
Yeah.
down. What did you say the 01 was for?
Oh, a computer code.
Binary code.
Just 1 minute. I've forgotten to say about the audience, which nobody asked me about.
Oh, sorry.
Never mind. So the audience, first I said females and males, but then I don't know why I changed it to males. I'm not sure why.
It's more appealing to them.
Well, you told me, and I remember, because who buys a fob watch? Teenage girls, did they buy fob watches?
No, they're like
Exactly.
engineers.
Well,
So then you deducted who your audience was from that. So your product, the fob watch, determines your audience, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Well, who is it?
It's for young and old, mainly young, but it could be old males.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I don't think young.
not young.
Well,
But
do you
if
see
young
them? Go on, sorry.
male buy a football, or was it for older?
No, because the elements of time travel and people, young people like sci-fi and these things. That's why it's mainly. So, any more questions about the 01s? No. Any more questions?
How well did you manage your time?
I manage my time in a good way. I've even went to extra lessons to
We did, yeah.
complete my set.
if you could change anything,
Yeah.
what would you change?
I would write there on the clock time travel and make it more rounder, more like like a loop or something. You know the clocks, the word clocks.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and put time travel there.
So you'd make it more
Obvious.
obvious, yeah.
I don't think you need to. That's the power of using something with no text in it.
Yeah.
Just these visual clues and symbols. It's very good. Thank you, Hussein.